In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post on Reddit. Whether you need to fix a typo, update some information, or completely reword what you wrote. Editing is a simple way to improve your post without having to delete and repost it. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or app. You need to be signed in to see and edit your own posts. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar, a small picture, or just a generic icon if you haven't customized it. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where all of your posts and comments are collected in one place. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a list of your recent activity. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to edit. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the correct post, especially if you've posted several similar things. Once you've found it, click on the post to open it, or simply focus on it in the list if the edit option is already visible. On that post, look for 3 small dots, usually located near the bottom or top right corner of the post area. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to bring up a small menu of actions you can take on that post. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on Edit, and the text of your post will become editable. Now you can change anything you need, correct spelling mistakes, clarify sentences, add updates, or remove information you no longer want to share. Take a moment to read over your changes carefully. It can help to quickly proofread so you don't have to come back and edit again. Once you're happy with your changes, look for the button that saves or confirms your edit. Click that and your post will be updated. On Reddit, edited posts are usually marked as edited, so others